Welcome back to another video. May mga nagsasabi na nami-miss nila yung mga law school related contents ko. So, I'll be making my essentials video, especially to those people preparing for law school. So, kagigising ko lang sa stress ako, but then sabi ko I'm gonna film. So, I'm gonna show you some of the law school essentials that you can prepare ahead of time. My first year in law school is quite challenging because I am a working student. So, di ko na i-detailed out yan. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you the stuff that I have here. Ito medyo makabago kasi especially those students who entered law school na galing sa pandemic. Maraming pagbabago, especially now that marami na nag-embrace sa mga technology, sa mga devices sa paggagamit. So anyway, let's hop into the items that I'll be showing. So una sa lahat, i-insert ko dito yung mga iba. Unahin ko na ang caudals. Marami pang caudals, pero dalawa lang yung binaba ko kasi parang tinatamad akong ibaba yung iba pa. So ito, civil code, tapos ito yung consti, meron pa sa crim, rules of court, nasa taas yung iba. Pero yan, una sa lahat, ang caudals. So, ahead of time, you can buy from Central or Rex. Ito, Rex bookstore to. Tapos, pwede mo siyang free ang plastic cover sa Rex. Tapos, pati yung engrave ng name, free din yan. So, ayan. So, una-una yan, lagi naman sa essentials, dapat may caudals ka. So, buklat-buklatin mo rin. Tapos, sa totoo lang, lately, every after office, lagi na akong nagbubuklat niyan in preparation for the next school year. Ayan siya. And then, syempre, di mawawala kapag lost. Andito kasi, kinukuha ko dito. Ang di mawawala, ang pens at sobrang daming highlighters. Luckily, my workmates, yung nagbunutan kami during Christmas party, yung mga binigay nila sa akin, puro mga gamit sa school. So, ito, favorite ko to na niregalo sa akin. Ang dami niyang colors. I also have some here. Meron akong set ng highlighters dito sa Cavite, nasa taas sa work area ko. Meron din dun sa apartment ko sa Ortigas. So, ayan, a bunch of stuff. Tapos, ito, importante rin yan. It's also an essential. I got this from Mr. DIY. I really like the school supply selection sa Mr. DIY. So, ayan, especially if you're doing your readings, ayan sila. Okay. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang. Ayan, some of the clips din, andyan, mga binders, blah, blah, blah. And more highlighters. Lahat na ata ng color meron ako. Pero, hindi kasi ako yung hoarder ng mga ganito eh. Like, kung ano lang magkasya dito, tsaka basta meron akong highlighter sa workstation, importante sa akin yun. Yan. Next na essential would have to be your notebooks. So, these are some of the notebooks that I have that I like as well. Ito siya. Ayan. And this one. So, you can grab yours from Shopee. Ito, mga Shopee lang to. I like this personally kasi, alam mo yun, meron ng lagay. Tapos, ito rin. Medyo malaki nga lang to. But, these bring a really big tote bag. That's what I like. I usually get my bag sa H&M or Forever 21 because they have really good tote na mura ang halaga. So, yan. Your notebooks. Ayan. I love this. Ito sa National naman. Next. Syempre, your iPad or kahit anong tablet. It's very useful. Parang sa klase, halos lahat naman ng kaklase ko rin, may dala silang iPad. It's very useful, but kung wala naman, okay lang din naman. But for me, I consider it as an essential. Kasi, your iPad, you can store, especially kapag yung mga professors pumapayag na PDF lang or they allow iPad. So, before you start your class, you can always ask your professors kung allowed ba yung devices. But, in my experience, maraming professors ang hindi pumapayag sa devices. Konti lang. Pero, throughout the semester, pag kunyari nag-try kayong maggamit ng laptop or iPad, naman sila. Parang, minsan hinahayaan na lang nila. Pero, there are strict professors that they don't like, ha. So, ayan. Ito yung akin. Ito naman, recent ko lang binili because it's also useful if you want to, like, draw, ganyan-ganyan. So, iPad. It's an essential. Pero kung wala, okay lang. Pero for me, ako kasi bago ko mag-law school, meron na akong iPad for work. And ang dinagdag ko na lang dito itong Apple Pencil. Pero kung wala, okay lang naman. Any tablet can do kasi matipid siya kapag sa mga readings, lalo na kapag allowed yung devices by the professor, yung mga cases, pwedeng ito na lang gamitin mo kaysa mag-print ka. And syempre, mga papel sayang, diba? Next, ito. Nabudol lang ako nito ng kaklase ko eh. Ayan siya. This one you can use for reading. So, ganito siya. Ayan, ganyan siya. Tapos you put your books here. I'll show you Ayan, ganyan siya. Wait. Ayan, parang ganyan siya. Okay, ayan. I think sa Shopee, less than 150 pesos lang to or 200. Ayan siya. See that? I really like this. So, ayan, pag magbabasa. So, lagi ito. Ayan sila. Okay, yun yung purpose niya and may mabibili ka niya sa Lazada or Shopee. Less than 150 pesos pag may sale o bongga pa, diba? So there, really cute. Then, an essential, I would also consider, syempre, any laptop meron kayo, go for it kasi marami talagang readings at kung mabait nga yung professors at allowed yung devices, yan. So, I have my MacBook M1 and talagang, hindi ko naman kasi expected talaga na papasok ako ng law school eh. Parang, during pandemic, I already got this. Pero, hindi naman, hindi naman yung tipong, kung may iPad ka, mag-laptop. I think better if you choose to get yourself a good laptop instead. Lalo na kung kung may budget ka naman. Like, in my case, I'm a working student, so I really have money for these things. But if not, siguro okay naman na any laptop, kahit wag ka na mag-iPad, basta you have a good laptop to do your readings. Importante lang naman dun may pagsasavean ka, enough storage for it. So, yeah, this is also an essential for me. Tapos, nilagay ko na lang din kasi totoo to. Sobrang essential talaga ng meds and vitamins. Parang laging nagkakasakit ganyan. So, Biogesic, napaka-importante. I also have here my vitamins. Tapos, I'll try to insert kasi wala na, ubos na dito yung meds ko, yung Neurobion. It's very important to take that as well. But then, kung medyo takot ka or may allergies ka, magpa-consult ka muna sa doctor. But it's good for B-complex. But, it's an essential for me. Please, always bring Biogesic. Kung hindi ikaw, yung kaibigan mo or kaklase mo, pwede mong bigyan. Naku, talagang hanapan talaga kami ng Biogesic. Pag masakit ang ulo, Biogesic agad. Yun! Yun yung mga essentials for me, for law school. Tapos, I think it's very important to really bring comfortable, huge tote bags. Wait, I'll try to get mine. Baka gusto niyo makita what I'm using for law school na bag. Wait lang. Okay, para naman tayo dito nagla-live sale. Anyway, these are the bags, the tote bags that I have for school. This one's from H&M. I think meron pa nito sa online, sa H&M na online. And then they also have the newer version na mas structured, but I don't like that. And it's color white, but this one's cream. So, ito kasi tignan mo. Siningit ko na rin din sa video. Ayan o. Look at that. Ang laki niya. Tapos, lahat ng pwede mong gustong ilagay, you can fit inside. And then, I got myself this tote bag naman from Forever 21 nung birthday ko. Kasi naman, parang kaparehas niyan. Wait lang, hinihingal ako kasi umakit ako sa taas. Wait. Same sila. Ito naman siya. So, ito at ito, maganda siyang law school bag because you can fit a lot of stuff. Ito naman, I got this from the official store of Forever 21 sa Shopee. Parang sold out na to. Ito marami pa sa online na and sa stores, sa shop. Marami pa kayo makikitang ganito sa H&M. Ito, online ko lang to nakuha sa Forever 21 shop sa Shopee. So, you can check that. So, ayan siya. And then, marami ka rin malalagay sa loob. Currently, meron siyang folder in preparation. So, ayan siya sa loob. And there's a lot of stuff that you can fit in. lalo na yung mga gamit at saka yung mga books. Yon! Those are my law school essentials. I know you've been asking for law school related content, so yan. I also don't want to post some of my contents related to law school lately kasi gusto ko makapagpahinga ang aking utak. Yun lang. If you have questions, feel free to comment it down. Or if you want to ask personal questions, you can message my Instagram account at rrsalas, RRS. Yun lang. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!